Playbot Pro, AI-powered WhatsApp automation for your business. Now with Zoom integration, managing your webinars and meetings just got easier. Automatically send reminders before your sessions and notify participants instantly when they register, get approved, or when your meeting goes live. To get started, create your account using Google, Microsoft, or sign up with your email. Already have an account? Simply sign in. Click Apps from the left navigation and select Zoom from the available integrations. Click Connect with Zoom. This will redirect you to your Zoom account. Sign in and allow the permissions requested. Once done, you'll be redirected to this screen. Now let's set up reminders to send before your meeting or webinar starts. Select which business WhatsApp number you want to send the reminders from. Choose when to send the reminder. Set it to minutes, hours, or even days before your session starts. You can choose to send reminders to the host, registrants, or both, depending on your use case. Let's add the host's phone number to receive reminders. Next, select a template or bot to send as your reminder. You can create templates with variables and map values from Zoom data or your contact details. To send messages to registrants, if you've added a custom field for WhatsApp number in your Zoom registration form, simply enter that field name here. Hit Save, and your reminders are ready to go. Now let's create a rule to send WhatsApp notifications for your meetings. You can set up notifications to trigger automatically when events happen, like registration created, registration approved, participant joined, or meeting started. Want to target specific meetings? Follow these steps. First, schedule a meeting in Zoom. Make sure registration required is enabled, then save it. Go to the Registration tab and click the Edit button on the right side. Move to the Questions tab and enable the phone option. You can also add a custom question to collect WhatsApp numbers if needed. Save your changes. Now let's add a rule in Playbot Pro for meeting automations. Choose the event based on your need. For this demo, we'll select Registration Created. We can apply this to all meetings or select specific ones. Let's choose a specific meeting from the list. Next, choose who should receive the notification, host, registrant, or both, to send meeting details. Now select a bot or template to send. We can use participant details or meeting details as variables in the template. Just like this. Save the rules. Let's test it out. When a registrant enters their details and registers, the host receives a notification with the registrant's details. The meeting is scheduled at 5 p.m., and at 4:30 p.m., a reminder message sends to the host's WhatsApp number. Let's wait a few seconds to check if registrant details are also being sent. Yes, the host received the registrant details. Similarly, we can do this for webinars too. Automate your Zoom meetings and webinars with WhatsApp notifications for reminders and events. Increase your attendance rates and customer engagement. Register with Playbot Pro.